everybody, Jason Loucks here, founder of SecretLender.com, foreclosure investing system. Today I'm going to cover how to get great repair costs for your properties. Before I jump right in, if you want to get a 21-minute walkthrough video of how we do this, specifically including getting excellent repairs, including sometimes not even having to fix them, go ahead and visit SecretLender.com, and that 21 walkthrough video is a complete framework of how we do this from start to finish. So if you want to know how to do that, how to create those big equities by bringing your repair costs down to what it really costs, not the inflated price the world wants owner-occupants to pay, wants people who aren't in the business to pay. You know, how does it, I'm sure if you've been in the business for any length of time, you look at the sold comps, you look at the properties you thought about making offers on, you see people outbid you, and you say, there's no way they're making money. And then later you see they sold it for a big profit, and you say, how did they do that? The answer is they got their repairs in line. They got it right. They're good at the business, right? They're not screwing around owner-occupants, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. You know, it's not like those home shows where they rehab an entire house in 22 minutes and they're picking out the tile and they're picking out the grannies. That's not the real business, all right? If you want to know what the real business is, go ahead and check out SecretLender.com. If you like that 21-minute walkthrough video, I'm happy to give you more training. It's a free DVD training I'll send you. Just tell me how you want me to send it to you and where you want me to send it. All right, back to the point. If you're in the business, there's sort of three levels of repairs. The first level that most people are aware of is the retail price of repairs. This is if you go down to Home Depot or you just call a general contractor and you say, listen, I want new tile in my house, and you walk through and you say, oh, I want that tile. Oh, I don't like this one, I want that one. And it's, $3 or $4 a foot for the tile, $3 or $4 a foot for the installation, okay? The other way, the next level down, is if you're a rehabber who uses a contractor. Well, if that contractor has his own crew, he's paying his crew, he's paying for the repairs, and he's paying himself. Okay? And that's not bad, and I don't begrudge them their profit. Just know that a GC is more expensive than having your own crew if you're consistently in business, if you're going to keep your crew busy, right? And then there's a lot of people who have a rehab crew. If you have your rehab crew, that's the cheapest of all. It's just parts and labor, okay? So, it's even less expensive if you've got your own crew than it is if you have a contractor. It's even less expensive if you work with a rehab contractor than it is if you go retail. I got a bid from Home Depot for a tile in my own house for $15,600. I literally was laughing at the guy. I was like, is that a joke? You need more batteries in your calculator? What happened? We'll get the same thing done for less than $4,000. I know for sure because I already priced it out and I'm already waiting for the guy to tell me when he's ready to write him the check. All right? If you want a 21-minute walkthrough video, if you want me to show you how we do this, oftentimes doing without fixing the properties, go ahead on over to SecretLender.com, double check, see if this is for you. If it is for you, there's a video there of exactly how we do this, how we get the money to do this, and how we make more profits per deal. If you have any questions, or if you, like what you see and you want to share it with somebody else, check the link down below if you want to check it out for yourself. Share this video with anybody you think needs to see it if they're in the business and they're currently going through the ringer of rehabs and repair costs and all that other stuff. And if you would hit the like button for me if you like this, if you share this with somebody, if you've got any questions, go ahead and ask them down below, right in the comments. And if I see the same question more than once or twice, I'm going to go ahead and make a video about it. So if you do have any video requests or questions, go ahead and put them in the comments below. Again, I'm Jason Loucks from SecretLender.com, and thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.